It's really busy here.
Oh, this is the one where you have to go to 183, you have to go like a whole turn.
It kind of, yeah, goes off to the right. We're going to be turning left here though, and it's a weird one. See, there's the tip of your yellow line, and then your left turning lane starts. When school is in there around lunchtime, all the Lockerby's students are everywhere, all over the intersection.
Same thing on Sudbury, all the St. Charles, all the
LaSalle, yeah. They all hit the Tim Hortons.
Exactly. I don't know if you remember, about maybe 2 years ago, I'd say, around this intersection, there was this, it was in the news, this guy in a pickup truck, he had a stolen pickup truck, and he was deliberately hitting other vehicles while he's driving. I
remember that? No.
I was here.
Yeah, and I was teaching at the time, and this guy flies right past us, and the cops are like, you know, following him, and everything. Oh my God, it was
Turns out it was him.
Yeah. These lights here, we're going to make a right turn. Heading into the Moonglow area. The street names are pretty cool here. A lot of them are named after planets and galaxies and stars. Oh yeah, over here, yeah, for sure. Driving past the galaxy. Jupiter on your left. I'm just looking for cars we can use here. Not having much luck. That's the problem with winter. It gets more and more difficult to find cars to parallel park with, which, you know, if you go for your road test in the winter, they usually don't. We'll make a right turn
Not a single car. Usually there's cars here, dude.
Yeah. Must be because the plows are really short.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, well, we'll make a right turn here. No, we won't use the truck. Probably this guy's truck. Yeah, it's a walking truck. Let's see what's on Oberon. I'll just have a look down here. No. Huh. Doesn't look like you're going to be doing any parallel parking today. And then there's usually some around the corner here. Yeah, let's go ahead with this guy here. Yeah. Parallel parking.
A bit too far. It's not set.
Okay, so just one turn, one
Oh
spin.
yeah, it was one spin, just like that.
Yep. So 45-degree angle. Okay. Yeah, that's
Or about when that wheel gets near there.
Yeah, you got this.
There we go.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good.
There we go. Park and brake engaged.
So there's 3 times you spin the wheel. Spin it once to the right, and then you spin it once to the left to straighten the wheels out.
Yeah.
And then you want to come in a straight line. Then once your front bumper reaches his back bumper, that's when you crank it all the way to the left.
Okay.
Okay.
Makes
We'll take
sense.
off. But the way you did it works too. You know, show me 5 different instructors. They'll show you 5 different ways to parallel park. So whatever works.
Exactly.
All they care about is that you don't hit the car or end up in a snowbank. Very good. Okay.
It's probably easier with just three turns anyways.
Yeah, I mean, all they really they care more about the signaling, checking your mirror, looking around, a lot of observation when you're doing these things.
Making sure you know where you are.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah, spatial awareness. Let's head up this way here on the skyward. Skyward, because we're going skyward. Do you want to do another hill parking here?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure. No fire hydrants here. Parking brake engage, and there's none. With that.
Yeah. Usually, there is no curb here under the snow. It's one of those flat things there. Okay.
There we go. Straighten out.
Step 1.
There.
Step 2. Step 3. If this hill was a little bit more snow,
it would be
Probably
really
lower.
difficult to get going again
No.
with your traction control on. Because it slows your wheels down, right?
Slows
Traction
down,
control. I don't like traction control, but you can turn it off when you're trying to climb a snowy hill. There's the button right there.
No.
We'll make a right. No, actually, let's make a left. Let's make a left.
Weird name indeed.
Yeah. Telstar. Stand there in the middle of the road. There we go. Galaxy. We already flew by Jupiter. Saturn is back that way. At the lights, we're going to make a right turn. You can call out there.